Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am filming you a Sephora haul. Yes, I did a little bit of damage at Sephora over the sale, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I picked up. I actually already been testing out a couple of things, and some of them are just repurchases. First thing I'm going to start with is I have one eyeshadow in here that I did get. It is a Kat Von D Metal Crush, and the eyeshadows I've noticed are not in the stores anymore, but I did see a few of them kind of around the store. The shade that I got was Dose. It looks like this. And they come in the pans and they are like this. And this is what the color looks like. Really pretty color. Purchased a new beauty blender and it is in the shade Teal. Just needing to replace a few of my other beauty blenders, so I wanted to get one of the new colors that just came out. So I'm really liking the beauty blenders for a lot of the foundation and concealers. I got a couple of new Anastasia brow wizzes, and I got the shade Chocolate and Soft Brown. This is chocolate down here, and this is soft brown. It is a smaller pencil, so it's pretty easy to draw little brush strokes, and I do like to use these a lot, or I use my brow pomade, and I'll use the chocolate out here, and I'll use the soft brown in the front of my brow just to give it a little bit of dimension, and I don't want to look like I have angry brows, so I like to do more than one color. I got a Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3. This is what it looks like. And it's a brow volumizing fiber gel. They used to have this a long time ago and then they stopped making it, and then they came back out with it again. Gives a little color and also makes your brows more defined, and that is the shade right there, 3. So it does match with my brows, and I just like to give them a little bit of extra, more volume, just the Gimme Brow by itself on my brows instead of pomade or pencil as well. I got an Hourglass Vanish Stick. I have never tried these before, and I got the shade Light Beige, and this is what it looks like. That is the color, and I have oily skin on like my T-zone area, and then I'm dry on the outside. I wanted to try this out to see how I like it myself, and that is the shade Light Beige right there, and it feels pretty nice. See what it looks like if it oxidizes or anything like that. I got a new bronzer. So I got the Hourglass bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light, and this is what the shade looks like. Really pretty. I seen Samantha did a review on some of these, and they definitely made her skin look really, really nice. So I wanted to give it a try as well. I did get one hair product, and it is Way Leave-In Conditioner. I got a sample of this a few months ago, and I really liked it because I do have hair that just needs a little bit of extra help, and when I try to brush it, even though I have a tangle teaser, it still gets a lot of snarls, so I wanted to try something out, and I liked it so far, so I got a full size of it. I got a Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Mainline. Really creamy pencils. I do like to use these. I have a few of the lip ones as well. And this is what the shade looks like right there. Would be a really nice color to make like a pop on the lower lash line and maybe like a wing liner up top, or something to smoke out a blue color on your lower lash line. Now I did get a lot of lip products. That's what I was saving for last. I'm going to start with my first one. It is the Dior Rouge Liquid Lip in Poison Metal. And this is what the doe foot applicator looks like. It's a really pretty red color. This is the shade right here, and it's a red with an orange into it. Definitely does look a lot nicer in person. You can see that there's a lot of reds and oranges in here. Might be something to put on with like a matte and then putting this on top of it. put this on in a video and see how this thing looks, because you can definitely see even in the tube it looks like there's little flecks of glitter in here. I don't know if you can see it. Really pretty though. I got a couple Smashbox. They are the Always On liquid lipsticks. I got the shade Throwback Jam and Chill Zone. I am actually wearing the Throwback Jam on my lips and it's been on for almost 12 hours. And these are both matte colors. This one is the Throwback Jam and this is the shade Chill Zone. Throwback Jam and Chill Zone. And I will let you guys know how I like these. So far I do like the Throwback Jam. It's really nice color and it doesn't feel like you're actually wearing a lot of product on your lips, which is really nice. You can wear it, you know, all day long, chuck it in your bag if you need to touch up or drink or eat anything, and they stayed on so far. I have a Anastasia liquid lipstick in Insomniac. This is the shade right here, Insomniac. And funny enough, I actually have the same shade in a Bullet, and the color is a little bit different. It is brighter, almost more like a, you know, Tiffany color looking. Really pretty color. I like to wear this one once in a while as well. Last product I got for lips was from Hourglass as well, and it is a lip stiletto in Achiever, and this is what the Bullet looks like. Really pretty, looks like a crayon almost in a way. And it's a nude. I like nudes. I like a lot of colors, but I like nudes as well. That's what it looks like right here. It's not a full coverage lipstick like the Smashbox ones and the Anastasia one, but I definitely like to wear these a lot as well. Something that I want to moisturize, or if I'm having a lot of like just crap lips that day and I put balm on and I'll just toss that on top. And I do like wearing those a lot as well. Alright guys, this is the end of my Sephora haul. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing the products that I got. I will be posting videos with them in the upcoming tutorials. Let me know if there's something that you want to see from this collection or what I shopped for in the comments below. And if you like to see hauls that I have purchased products, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below what you want to see, and let me know if there's anything that I purchased that you guys already have and what your comments are and what your thoughts are. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your night. Thanks guys. Have a great night. Bye.